Hey everybody, it's Dr. Joe and Carl here with a clinic version of Field Notes with Carl. Our field is being bush hogged, so we're doing a clinic version today. We want to talk to you a little bit today about anxiety with the holidays. So the holidays can be extremely stressful for humans, let alone for our pets. So just a couple things that you can do during the holiday season to try and keep your pets safe and comfortable when you have guests over for the holidays. So particularly kitties tend to be a little bit more stressed out when we have people over. So make sure that they have a designated safe space where they can go to that none of your guests are going to go to. So if there is a spare bedroom or your primary bedroom where they feel comfortable, make sure that there are no guests that can go into that area. Ideally, you should not just throw them in the basement, right before guests get there. If Aunt Nancy needs to stay in the guest bedroom and your cats are not going to enjoy that, that's fine, but take a couple weeks to try and get them acclimated to their new space in the basement versus just tossing them down there right before your guests come. And then your dogs, kind of the same thing. If you have a dog like Carl who absolutely loves people, you're probably not going to have to do a lot to get them ready for the holidays. Carl does get a little bit resource guardy with some of his most prized possessions, like his bully sticks or his topples or his Kongs. So we tend to not give him those when we have guests over, specifically guests with children. Adults will sometimes listen, kids, it's a crapshoot. So we don't do those when we have guests over, even though Carl loves people. He loves food a lot more. But if you have a dog that is a little bit more anxious, we had a greyhound who really did not like it when we had people over. So we would put her in our primary bedroom. We would give her some snacks and we would put a baby gate up and just let everybody know that that room is completely off limits because she just got so nervous when we would have people over. So if you can do something like that when you have guests over, make it a positive experience for your pets. And it's already, like I said, it's already stressful enough for all of us anyway. We don't need to add to it by having guests over and having our pets freak out at the same time. So hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, whatever holiday you celebrate. And we'll be back next month with an official Field Notes with Carl. Thank you.